Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at the Oris Clipperton Aquis dive watch. This is the rubber one with the rubber strap. We'll be unboxing this baby. First time I've seen it in real life. It's got the white recycled, it's actually more of a cream colored, the recycled box. Oris, besides donating to these great causes, is also trying to make environmentally friendly products with their boxes. And here's the booklet. You can see it talks about the Clipperton Atoll. Really cool. It's a nice way to package the watch. You know, it kind of tells you what the big deal is and why we need to save these places. I really like how they add that into the watch model boxes. And here we go. This is, again, the special box that's environmentally friendly. It's made with a type of algae that gives it that cool green color. And here you go, Oris Clipperton Limited Edition. And you can see we just opened it. It's got a bit of the plastic around the head of the watch there. We'll go take a closer look at this guy. Again, this is just a really cool box. I like what they're doing with this. So let me take this plastic off, and here we go. The first thing that you'll notice about the Clipperton is the stunning dial. It's a reflective gradient blue, a little bit lighter in the middle, darker around the edges. Really sharp looking. So there you have that beautiful gradient blue dial. It's supposed to represent the waters around the Clipperton Atoll, and it's really sharp. That's probably the most striking feature of this watch. It's an Aquis. We're all familiar with the Aquis line, awesome dive watch, but that blue really jumps out from the other colors in the Aquis line by Oris. So Oris has been coming out with these models to help ocean conservation. Their dive watches, their motto is basically, if there's nowhere beautiful left to dive, what's the use of a dive watch? Well, I guess I just kind of summed it up in my own words, but so this watch is benefiting Clipperton Atoll Island, and it's not really super well known, but it's an interesting place. It's got a lot of biodiversity, and it's an important location for pelagic fish and specifically sharks. So I guess Oris is continuing with the shark theme that they did with the Oris Hammerhead last year. So the bezel is a black ceramic bezel, sapphire crystal, and it's got an anti-reflective coating on the inside. The movement is the Oris caliber 733. It's based on the Salida 200-1, and it's got a little date down at the 6, as you can see. Overall, I like the design of the watch. Aquis is a classic Oris watch, but you know, they've thinned it out a little bit, it feels like, and it hugs your wrist a little bit more than the old ones used to. Now, little things like with the strap, the micro adjustments, these little tiny things is what makes Oris cool. It gives you, it just helps you out when you're doing stuff on the boat, and it's not big, so you don't bang it up. Here you can see it on my wrist. You can see it's really kind of like the perfect size watch. You know, any smaller, it tends to not feel as cool, and bigger, you're just banging it around a lot. Especially if it's a watch you tend to use and really use it for diving. The other thing you don't hear talked about that much is the way the band attaches to the head of the watch. They don't just use simple pins, they're screws that you have to screw down through the lugs, and that's really reliable, especially if you bang up your watch a lot. Here we could see it in the dark, the Super Luminova. Well, thanks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good one.